So now we are coming from the swimming pool. Summer, how are you?
Yes, today's workout done.
Yeah,
So finally we are leaving the
yeah.
our gym.
Fitness time. We came from here. Yeah, where's your car?
My car is over there.
Yeah,
And where is your
mine is over there. We'll meet at Kareem's place, okay? Yeah,
Do you
we'll
have
meet
location?
our.
Do you have location?
Yeah. I have location to all the important people. Okay, guys. So I just came from the Fitness Time gym, and I'm going to another friend who's living in Swedi. I am also in Swedi. Let me show you. So I have to go here, and it's gonna take me 13 minutes. I'll just start it, and this is actually the new mobile holder that we. Oh, what did I do? Okay, let me just start it. So I'm driving a Shenyang Edo, by the way. So this is our new mobile holder, and just come along with me on the drive. So now I am leaving from the Fitness Time gym, and well, off to my friend, inshallah. I go to Fitness Time gyms on a few locations depending on where I am and depending on how much time I have or what type of facilities I want. But this one here in Swedi, it wasn't that much up to my expectations, but still it actually had a lot of stuff. But the other branches, they have way more than what it was offering, and understandably so, because normally I go to the ones that are marked red. They have all the facilities, but this one, there were some facilities that weren't there. Even it was a yellow one, a Fitness Time Pro. But anyways, now we are gonna meet our friend, and this drive is in Swedi. Have you been to Swedi? Let me know down in the comments. It is a good place, a residential place mostly, but it has all the amenities and shopping malls and that sort of stuff as well. So even you see on the other side there are a few coffee shops, and lucky for us, we got a green light. Red light, green light. And these roads of Swedi. So yeah, I have been there to that place on the right. It's Iraq Coffee. I have been there, yeah. Oh, I have been to a lot of places in Riyadh, and recently I just started recording these drives and all this stuff. On the right there's a Body Masters gym. It says 24 hours, but regardless, I'm going to the Fitness Time. They are also really good. Our drive remaining is 3.8 kilometers and 11 minutes. Okay, so we have to stand on a red light. By the way, I have a few other channels where I make videos related to stocks and that sort of stuff as well. One channel related to AI, one channel related to vlogging. And the thing is that all of these need consistency. This channel has been blowing up quite a bit lately, and the reason is you amazing people. Oh, by the way, I recognize this intersection. I've been here before. And maybe I think it was the same day when I went to Iraq Coffee. There's one on my right. I think I've been here as well. Oh goodness. Now the traffic light is green. I used to go to a lot of coffee places, but then I started realizing that I should. Okay, let me just pass this. So yeah, I was saying that I used to go to a lot of places, a lot of coffee places, just to spend time, do some editing of my videos and that sort of stuff. Then I sort of stopped that. Now I rarely go to the coffee shops. I prefer tea. Even if I have to get a coffee, I would get something iced because it's summer, and if I need a hot one, I'd go for a flat white. This road is also quite familiar. There was a restaurant where they usually sell fatair and that sort of baked food, so I've been here as well. We'll let the car pass. A lot of speed breakers here on the road. Have to be very careful driving on these roads where traffic is coming from the opposite side as well, and you never know where someone can pop from. Either we go straight or we turn right. So what shall we do? What shall we do? So the car is okay. I think we will go straight. There's one Indian restaurant, Raja Mutam Al Hindi, Raja restaurant on our right. So the car actually stopped. It has this auto turn off feature because when I'm not using the engine for like moving, then it stops. This Shenzhen Edo has a lot of good stuff actually. Let's see how much time it will take to go from this traffic signal. Okay. So also let me know in the comments, how did you come across this channel, these videos? Like how are we listening to each other? How are we able to be in front of each other? In the meanwhile, I was checking on some stats for my other channels. Now it's time to go. I shall go straight. Swedi guys, Swedi. My friend Kareem Jan actually is waiting. So I got a message from him.
Ok, फिर उधर आ जाओ फिर इस स्टॉप पे नहीं कहाँ बैठना देखो मैं भी इसी ग्राउंड टिकट घूम रहा हूँ जहाँ चला ये बताया सेंटर पे आ जाओ इधर अस्लोका चल सही है यहाँ अस्लोका क्या टिकट आराम से मिलेगा
करीम भाई मैं ये आ रहा हूँ इधर, ये वाला जो बस आपके करीब ही हूँ, 6 मिनट का दिखा रहा। वो सेंटर वही जिधर वो आउटडोर सिटिंग स्पेस और वो सारा कुछ है। Yeah, so I'm coordinating with my friend. He is out of his home. He is outside in a park waiting. We will not let him wait much. Hi Shanjan,
How can I help you?
turn on the AC.
Okay, turning on front door C for you.
Actually, this seems like a stop where this turning right is not free. So we will actually stop here. And on my right, I think I might have my friend with me. Summer, yeah, it's him. So we are together going to our friend Kareem Jan. But well, we are very mindful not to cross the signal before I think one car just passed. However, we shall wait. So Summer is enjoying his ride and we are in ours. So I will let Summer. Actually, I'll have to turn first because of the curve on the road. And here we are. By the way, it's a Friday night. And it's green light, red light, green light. So that's my friend. Turned before me. Maybe he is very eager to meet Kareem Jan. On our right is the Dr. Sulaiman Al Habib Hospital here in Suwaidi. There is a green light, but I'm not sure if we'll be able to cross it or not. We should be able to because it's just 3 minutes left. In the meanwhile, I'll call my friend Summer. Or maybe I think we'll not have to wait that much. Because still, even if our friend Kareem Jan is in the park, he is nearby.
स्नूकर खेला था बीच में स्नूकर खेला था
हाँ समर यार, वो अपने घर में नहीं है, वो उस वाले जगह पे है जहाँ वो स्नूकर शॉप नहीं, स्नूकर वाला है, जिधर मैं तुम्हारे पीछे हूँ। लेफ्ट होंगे सिग्नल से और बाहर उसके घर पे नहीं रोकना, थोड़ा उधर मेन पे कहीं रोक लेना, ठीक है? मैं किस तरह आगे रहूं, तुम आगे हो
यार, ये सिग्नल से जब हम लेफ्ट होंगे
ओके
आप आगे हो जाना।
ओके भाई ओके। So yeah, 700 meters and 2 minutes remaining. Please let us go from this signal. In the meanwhile, let me know what's your favorite restaurant in Saudi Arabia, in Riyadh, to get Saudi, authentic Saudi food. It's a long wait. It's a long wait here on this road. But on our right we have Mutam Al Zamzam Al Bukhari, and then one called Jaffna. Jaffna, I think it's a Saudi restaurant. Not sure about its taste. We never tried. Jaffna restaurant. So yeah, they have Jarish as well, Ali, Shwayas, Madboot, Mandi, Burma. Burma is wonderful. So finally it's green. One signal after the other. Are we gonna be able to go from here? Still it's green. So yes. So summer is giving me way. This road, if we go straight on it, it leads to the ring road, and now we have to find a place where we can park. Gladly this mobile holder, it's turning out to be really good actually. I want my friend to I wanted him to park there. I asked him to with a signal. हाँ समर, इधर तू पार्क कर दे, ये सामने वो है वो वाला प्लाजा जिधर वो है, मैं भी इधर कोई पार्किंग देखता हूँ, ठीक है? और फिर कहीं है
इधर पार्क करो।
हाँ इधर पार्क कर देना, मैं मुझे भी मिल गई है पार्किंग. ओके, so yeah, we got a parking. Alhamdulillah, we have a parking over here. Look at these trees. Yeah, so that's it for the video. So guys, our friend Kareem Jan and his brother Eid Jan, they are playing snooker inside, and we are also going to join them after our gym session. Yes, yeah.